Hello, this is Viviana Diaz and I'm going to record a video tutorial on how to grade forums, in this case by ratings with a numerical grade. So, first of all, turn editing on and I'm going to week 1, which is about introduction. I'm going to grade into this forum. I'm going to click on this, edit settings, and I'm going right away to see if this is disabled. I need none to this because I will grade this by giving a number. So let's click on here to put maximum rating, which will be 100, and then 100 to pass. And then I'm going to set this up under these conditions. Okay, view the activity, start a discussion at least once, post replies twice, and receive a grade. And here I have rating. Yes, that would be the choice, and save and turn to course, and that's it. Here. Okay.